Can you believe this amazing waterfront house you are seeing is built out of shipping containers? This beautiful oasis by the waterfront is exclusively built using 4 shipping containers. The 4 containers are arranged in such a way that 2 40-foot containers create the living space of the house, whereas the remaining 2 containers are cut in half to create the bedrooms. This beautiful house is elevated off the ground to create vantage views of the riverfront, creating a quiet and peaceful oasis in the woods. When you step inside, you land into an amazing open plan living space. This living space is big enough to accommodate a lounge space, a dining area, and a big kitchen. There's a view of the lounge space. Beautiful, beautiful space. There's a feature wall with a flat screen TV. We have feature walls with nice jungle green paint. The entire ceiling is white. Big windows for general lighting. The space is well lit. The amazing timber and tile floor finishes creates a beautiful contrast. This is a view of the lounge space showing the big glass windows that allows in tons of natural lighting. This is a view of the kitchen. It's modern and sleek with a black and white palette, stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful kitchen backsplash. This is a view of the breakfast counter and the dining nook with banquet seating. The big glass windows flood this amazing space with tons of daylighting. It's a closer view of the banquet dining and the breakfast counter. This is a view of one of the bedrooms. It fits within the width of a single shipping container, creating a well-furnished space that focuses purely on rest. The big glass window helps to clear and kill any claustrophobic feel associated with the limited width. A view of the second bedroom, beautiful space, well-furnished with big closet space. I like the use of exposed corrugated iron sheet, which gives a rugged feel and emphasizes the industrial finish of the house. The view of another bedroom. This house has got 4 bedrooms, and you'll appreciate the level of finishes which are intentional and impeccably executed. Another bedroom with the bunk bed. The big glass window is a standard feature to allow for maximum daylighting, unrestricted view of the outdoors, and to kill any claustrophobic feel that is associated with limited container widths. A view of one of the bathrooms, a beautiful bathroom stall. I like this live edge butcher block counter and storage shelving. The big glass window is for maximum daylighting and ventilation. Beautiful floor finish, well executed. It's a view of another bathroom in the house. I like the color of the wall tile, the butcher block, and the live edge counter on the wood is also repeated in this particular bathroom. I like the trim around the window. It makes the window to pop, and also the use of black corner strips makes the entire color contrast to stand out. The light-colored floor tile makes the bathroom look clean. This is a view of another space. It looks like it's a romper's room, come a reading or home office. You can see the view of the water and the river from outside. This general view of the house shows the main approach to the house. There is a feel of industrial finishes everywhere you look, and the elevated position of the house creates some nice vantage views at the rear. This is a view of one of the big outdoor terrace spaces overlooking the river. This is the general view of the rear elevation with access stairs to the lower level of the plot, allowing you to physically access the river and the fire pit next to the river. This is an aerial view of the outdoor spaces showing outdoor dining, outdoor lounging, and an exit staircase to the sand pit and the fire pit next to the river. This beautiful house has a black painted exterior, making it to blend nicely into this wooded landscape. The space looks clean and welcoming, a nice place to wake up to sunny mornings. The house is well executed and it serves its intended purpose as a vacation rental. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. You've been wondering how you can build your own shipping container home. Worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you by putting together one of the best and comprehensive building guides for shipping container homes on the market. This comprehensive book contains more than 300 pages of hands-on advice, real-life examples, and step-by-step building instructions designed to take you from dream to reality. Inside this book, you'll find 14 detailed chapters. They cover everything from understanding what shipping containers are. You will learn about sourcing and buying of shipping containers. Inside there, you'll also find out planning, budgeting, and costing for your shipping container house. This guide goes ahead to tell you more about site preparation and the best foundation to use for your shipping container project. In addition, the most critical part of shipping container architecture, which is ventilation, insulation, and condensation, are the most detailed chapters in the book. You'll also have information on electrical and mechanical systems. There's a detailed coverage of interior and exterior finishes. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus. We have given you a floor plan of our most popular design. In addition, you'll find a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean. This guidebook is packed with full color images and illustrations, making every step clear, visual, and easy to follow, even if you are new to construction. This is the most detailed building guide on shipping container architecture you'll find on the market today. Feel free to download 2 free chapters of the book using the link below. If you enjoy the 2 chapters, go ahead and purchase the book using the links in the description below. The book comes as a paperback. There's an ebook and also an audio version of the same. If you like it, give us a positive review and recommend it to other readers. Enjoy the reading, enjoy the building.